guys, welcome back to my channel, Literallyg. Thank you so much for joining me in for this video. I know I have been MIA from YouTube for a little bit and it has been intentional. No excuse really, just it was conscious decision. I took some time out, but now I'm back. So this video is not about that. So I've been eyeing this Lady Dior for the longest time, and I know I saw in Heathrow probably 10 years ago when I was coming to London, and I was actually leaving London going back to Canada, and I went to Dior and I saw this pink. It was a dusty pink. Can you tell I'm obsessed with pink? So it was a really nice dusty pink Lady Dior, and it was the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. It just tugged at me and I never got around to buying it because I just thought I'm not sure if I want to spend that much money on a bag. It looked cute, and then anytime when it came to the point where I thought, okay, do I want to buy this, it kind of just wasn't a priority really. So if you follow me on Instagram, you already know that I've been obsessed on making this purchase for the longest time, and I asked you guys to help me with finding the right color, and thank you so much. And really it took me 10 years to get it, so no problem. Without further ado, I am going to show you what I purchased. I managed to rip the bag. I tried to keep it nice, but I think while I was traveling underground in the train. But how chic is this? Little gold little thing. So are you ready to see this? My god. Okay, so let's see. Ooh. Okay. If I could actually be honest with you, I opened this the day I got it when I came home, and it was not wrapped like this. It was wrapped probably cuter than this, but I had to put it back because I knew I was going to do this video, and I tried to do a good job, but not the greatest. So here we go. Here is the beauty that I've been obsessed with for the last 10 years, and can you just see the color? It's like a pearly pink, and it's not too in your face pink, so it would go with various colors, because I usually wear a lot of blues, grays, pinks. As I'm wearing blue, I think it looks super cute, and it is so chic. Can you see how cute this is? I think it's a perfect bag, that staple piece to have in your closet. Absolutely obsessed. And also it has, even so it doesn't have a zipper, but it has this flap over it, and you just and it has obviously a little string that you could put around your arm, and I think it's super cute. I would usually hold in my hands anyways, but this is good to have. So you can put it across your body. I think of it, even the bottom of it, I just think the detailing is fantastic. So yeah, so that was my biggest purchase this year, and to be honest, I don't regret it, and I'm very happy that I got this. Okay, now moving on, obviously, let me share with you what else I've got from Dior. So this purchase is influenced by the silk sneaker. So she is an fashion influencer, and I absolutely love her style. And so I was looking online, I was looking for the earrings. I love Dior's pearl earrings. So either I was gonna get those, but then I saw on her page for her birthday she got these earrings. It's actually one earring. It's super cute. Okay, these nails are way too damn long for me to open a box, but I'm gonna try. The struggle is real. Okay, this is embarrassing. Come on. Okay, I don't want to break a nail. This nail is a little bit chipped, and I know if I use any force it's gonna break, so I have to be careful. Okay, we got there at the end. So that is it. So that's my initial G. I think it's super cute. Can you see? Focus. So that's it. I think it's so cute, and I'll definitely be wearing this loads. Okay, I love personalized stuff. This is what I'm thinking. I'm probably gonna do J, so I'll probably go back and get J. And I've got a couple more things that I wanted to share that I ended up getting, and it is from Swarovski. I love Swarovski. When me and Bobby started dating, he used to get me a lot of Swarovski stuff. He got me a ring, and then he got me this bracelet, and he got me a matching necklace. And you know what? I actually really like their stuff, and I've been eyeing this. Where is it? Something else. So I've been eyeing this evil eye bracelet and a necklace. Here we go. I think it's so cute. I love the detail. And so that is the necklace, and let me show you the bracelet. So I've seen this in the stores probably 5 months ago or 6 months ago, and I just thought, okay, I'm not sure if I want to get it, but when I went into the store and I saw it in person, I don't know why it's collected dust. And when I saw it in the store in person, it is so gorgeous, and I always wanted to get something with evil eye protection. And I don't know if it's focusing. Oh gosh, there we go. Finally got there at the end. I love the colors, and it is rose gold. I tried it on and it looks just fine. It looks super cute. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Those are my main purchases. I am so happy that I got to share this with you guys. Tell me what you think about the bag. If you have a Lady Dior, how do you take care of it? Because I need all the help I could get. Please give it a like and leave me a comment. Also hit the subscribe button if you like this video. Just a disclaimer, guys, I know these items that you've probably seen are worth a lot of money. You know, it took me 10 years to like decide on if I wanted to get this bag. Don't ever get caught up in the whole designer, oh, she's got a designer bag, I must have it. If you really want it, then make sure you're doing it for yourself. You're not buying it for other people to look cool, because to be honest, we could easily get stuck in that rat race, and I don't want you going broke just to buy a designer bag because somebody else got it, okay? So be very conscious and be very careful where you're putting your money, because end of the day, I know this money, you know, you could go on a holiday with that, and that is still, you know, these are the things I think about. You need to save your money if you're in school, so, you know, don't go buying purchases from your loans, from your student loans. Don't waste your money, guys. But at the same time, if you really want something, and if you think you're in a position to buy it, go ahead and treat yourself, because you know what, we fucking live once, okay? So fucking treat yourself. I'm sorry for swearing, but I really think you could emphasize more on the sentence. You could put more stress on the sentence when you swear. So that's it, guys. I will see you in my next video. I can't wait. I am actually so happy that I am back on YouTube, and I miss creating content. And okay, I don't know why I'm getting teary-eyed, but I am looking forward to sharing more crazy stuff in my next video. Leave me a comment, let me know what you would like to see, and yeah, that's it for now. Mwah. Sending loads of love and positive energy to everybody out there, and I will see you soon. Bye.